Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 876, middle of the linked list. So it's a very easy problem to solve, and we'll first check out the problem statement, then we'll look into the approach which we're gonna use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it says given the head of a singly linked list, return the middle node of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. Okay, and as you can see in the example, they had 1 2 3 4 5 as the linked list, singly linked list, and 3 will be the middle element of the linked list. So it's really easy to solve this problem using two pointers, fast and slow pointer, and that's what exactly we will be implementing. So let's check out the approach as well. So the idea behind this concept is we will use two pointers, slow and fast pointer. Okay, at every step slow pointer will move one step. Okay, and fast pointer will move two steps. Okay, so what does this imply? So this basically implies that uh, when my when fast pointer is at end, I can say with the surety that the slow pointer will be at middle element. Okay, why? So let's take this example. Okay, I'm drawing a list for now, just to uh, just to tell you with a little ease. So for example, let's say both the pointers started from this point. Okay, this is the slow pointer, this is the fast pointer. In the next step, my slow pointer was here. Okay, and my fast pointer was here down, slow and fast. Okay, in the next iteration, my slow pointer will move to this and my fast pointer will be here. Okay, why? Because it is moving from two steps at a time. So as you can see, fast pointer reached the last element, but the slow pointer is at the middle element, and this is what we want to do, right? So this is the core logic of the solution which we'll be implementing. Okay, so let's check out the code. Like, it will be a very simple code to implement, and as you can see, what we have done over here, we have defined two variables, slow and fast. So this is basically to represent the pointer, and initially they are both pointing to the head. Okay, now I am running a while loop in which what I'm checking if I'm running this loop till I have a valid fast and a next element to the current fast node. Okay, and at each step what we are doing, we are moving one step for the slow pointer and we are moving two steps for the fast pointer. So next dot next is your two steps, and dot next is your single step. And once this loop is over, that will signify that okay, we have reached the end of the linked list, and we will just simply return the slow pointer from here on. Okay, let's check out the test cases. As you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation. Also, one more thing, like this is a very frequently asked question in interviews of many many organizations. So yeah, I think it will be a good add-on in your knowledge. So the solution also got accepted, and as you can see, like, we have performed fairly well. On the memory front, we have overperformed around 89.17% of the submitted solutions. So thanks a lot for watching other videos, guys, and I hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up if you liked and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.